Have you ever dropped your phone while driving, cooking, or trying to watch something hands-free? Today, you're about to stop doing that forever. This is the ultimate multifunctional retractable phone holder with double-sided magnetic grip and a vacuum suction cup that tick like magic to almost any smooth surface. Gardash, mirror, glass, tile, desk, you name it. What makes this different from every cheap clip or sticky pad? First, the dual-sided fixation. That means you can use both sides to place your phone exactly where you want it securely. Second, it doesn't just a stick. It looks with vacuum suction. One press here and it's solid. Yeah, look at that one. No shaking, no dropping, even in the bumpy roads or while you're typing. Third, the fully adjustable angles, foldable and retractable stand. Landscape for video, portrait for calls, perfect view for anytime. Whether you're watching reels, doing hands-free zoom, or using GPS, this holder frees your hands so you can focus on the moment, not fiddling with your phone. And yes, it works with all phones. iPhone, Samsung, Android, with or without magnetic case. So swipe up, get yours, and never deal with a falling phone again.